we're happy to welcome you back to Jack London State Historic Park and Take 5 with Jack, our nature and wellness series. Today we're going to do something a little bit different and explore nature by not going anywhere. So sit back and relax while we take a sitting tour of the natural world. Throughout this series, our goal has been to take you through the wilderness areas of this state park to explore our special connections to nature, along with information and tips on the health benefits of nature and how you can maximize your experiences while in the wilderness. But what if you can't get out on the trail or hike yourself deep into a redwood forest? What if the most you can manage is the picnic table at the end of the parking lot? Can you still receive the immune boosting and health promoting benefits of the natural world from your porch or a window? The answer is absolutely yes. So this episode is for our friends and fellow nature lovers who, for a variety of reasons, can't hike or even get themselves to a wilderness area. And to help us explore how we can make the most of where we are, our friend Jeff Falconer has returned with some tips on how to sit mindfully with nature.
We can find kinship with the natural world through a window, from a chair or bench, or simply by taking more notice of a houseplant or pet. It should be stressed that our connection with nature is pre-existing. We belong to the natural world from birth, and though our kinship doesn't need to be forged, it can certainly be nurtured. Let's start by sharpening our senses. Allow your attention to dwell on a stand of trees, or the sounds of birdsong and wind, or on a single plant in your room. As you observe in greater detail, you may notice the balance of structure in a tree, birds foraging for food on the ground, or subtle changes in color as clouds pass in the sky. Patient observation can reveal nature's cooperative systems in action. Along with this deeper attention, you may also have new insights into your own connection with the natural world. Allow those insights to flower. Your intellect and curiosity are as much a part of nature as the hawk's cry or the leaves on a tree. Let nature inspire and awaken you. As your awareness sharpens, you can relax into the moment, feel the energy of life in your body, and maybe even feel the life radiating from the aspect of nature you are communing with. This simple relationship is precious and offers an enhanced sense of place in our living world, familiar, kind, and powerful. As with any practice, more time spent in communion with nature will further deepen our kinship as new pathways of experience are opened. Enjoy it all.
Whether you're sitting on a local park bench or just staring out the window of your living room or office, you can find nature all around you and connect to it through your senses, your heart and your mind, in ways that will bring you to a calmer and healthier space. We encourage you to practice this as often as you can. Make it a habit, because nature is always there for us. All we have to do is reach out to it. Thank you for watching this week. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.